Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If your YouTube search engine is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step to fix the problem. The first thing, if your YouTube search engine is not working, then go to the Play Store and search here YouTube and check for update. If YouTube update is available, then update it. Otherwise, follow the next step. Next is close the YouTube app completely and restart your device. If the error is persists, then next is long press on the YouTube app and go to the app info. Now click on the storage and cache and one clear storage and one clear cache. After doing this step, again check the problem. If the error is persists, then next is uninstall the YouTube app and reinstall. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our channel and share it with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.